Hi, hello, students, friends, and all dear one. This is Mr. Yogesh, and welcome to YC Learning Bench. We basically find error in sentence, but where these are. So today we are going to learn the rules for identify simple mistake or error in the sentence. Before going to discuss, let me quote here the famous lines by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He said, mistakes increase your experience, experience decrease your mistakes. If you learn from your mistake, then others learn from your success. So, dear all, hereafter, no error while using this sentence. अंग्रेजी बोलचाल में कुछ ऐसी गलतियां हैं जिन्हें हम आप सभी अधिकतर करते हैं। आप छोटे मोटे हैसियत से कर्मचारी हो या उच्च पदाधिकारी हो और छात्र व्यवसाय दुकानदार हो या और कोई कारोबार, आपकी बातचीत में आपको इन गलतियों से वास्ता पड़ता है। सो टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स नो एरर इन दिस सेंटेंस. Here in this video, I will share 3 charts. That chart make you smart. The first chart is about noun. Second chart is about pronoun. Third chart is about verb, adverb, adjective and conjunction. So, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is YC Learning Bench. Dear all, let's see the first chart. Rule number 1, chart number 1, error in the use of noun. All of you know there are different kinds of the noun: singular, plural, common, etc. Here I took a very few: singular noun, plural noun, numeral noun. Some noun have the singular form and the plural form. First one, singular noun. I made a list. Which are the singular noun? Scenery, issue, hair, furniture, fruit, poor, rich, work. ये जो शब्द है ये एक वचन में ही रहते हैं. All these nouns are always in a singular form. Now keep in mind. Let's run through the example. First one, the mother feeds the poor. Poor is a singular noun, not in the plural form. The mother feeds the poor. That's correct. Another example, all her furnitures. Furnitures. You can see in our home many different types of furniture. Don't use furnitures. So all her furniture have been sold. Next, move to the another one, plural noun. Which are the plural noun? Vegetables, spectacles, Himalayas, people, orders, repairs, trouser. These all are have the plural form always. ये शब्द सदा बहुवचन में ही प्रयोग होते हैं, एक वचन में नहीं. ध्यान में रहे आप. Let's learn the example. Judge passed order for his release. Judge passed orders. ये मैंने बताया अभी, ये सब बहुवचन में ही प्रयोग होते हैं. Another one, I had gone to buy vegetable in the Carrefour market. Not vegetable but vegetables. Keep in your mind. Let's move to the another numeral noun. This is very simple. It's have the singular form. How? ये जो शब्द जब संख्यावाची शब्द के बाद आते हैं तो सदा एक वचन यानी कि सिंगुलर फॉर्म में ही यूज होते हैं. जैसे कि 5 रुपीज़ नोट, 10 रुपीज़ नोट. ओके, लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. आई हैव 10 रुपीज़ नोट. नो, आई हैव अ 10 रुपी नोट. Another example, we brought 3 dozen banana. No, we have brought 3 dozen. banana. That's it. Next one, some nouns have the singular form and plural form. Which are that? List is there. फिश, डियर, शीप, कैटल. जैसे फिश मछली या मछलियाँ, डियर हिरन होता है, शीप भेड़ या भेड़ी, कैटल पशु. ये शब्द बहुवचन के अर्थ में भी एक वचन में भी प्रयोग किए जाते हैं. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. आई सॉ मेनी शीप्स एंड डियर्स इन द जंगल. नो, आई सॉ मेनी शीप एंड डियर इन द जंगल. Next one, gentry word. This word have the always plural form. How? Let's see the gentry means, इसका मीनिंग होता है सभ्य लोग. सभ्य लोग ये शब्द का प्रयोग बहुवचन में ही होता है, एक वचन में नहीं. एग्जाम्पल, द जेंट्री ऑफ द टाउन हैज़ बीन इन्वाइटेड, नॉट हैज़ बीन. What the correct? The gentry means ordinary people of this town have been invited. Got it? Let's learn to the another one. Chart number 2. Error in the use of pronoun. Here the first rule is that you, he, me. Dear student, जब मैं, तू और वह शब्द अंग्रेजी के एक साथ प्रयोग किए जाते हैं तो इस क्रम से आते हैं. कौन से क्रम से आते हैं? लाइक यू, ही एंड आई. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. इट्स मी. So answer is that, correct answer, it is I. Another example I will give you. I, you and he will go to Calcutta tomorrow. So what the correct answer? You, he and I. You, he and I will go to Calcutta tomorrow. That's the correct. Next one, next example, everyone, every man, every woman. So here everyone, every man शब्द के बाद संबंध कारक क्या लगेगा? his और her लगता है, their लगता नहीं. So what the example? Everyone must do their best. No, everyone do his best. Everyone must do her best. That's the correct. Next one, each other, one another. Here only for two person we can use each other. More than three person or three we can use one another. Let's see the example. These two sisters love one another. Two are there, it means these sisters love each other. If the three are there, these three sisters love each other. Is that correct? No. These three sisters love one another. Next one, enjoy, hide, resign, apply, absent, I will. इन क्रियाओं के बाद himself, herself, themselves, yourself, myself, ourself ये आदि लगते हैं. Let's see example. He is enjoying now. So when you see some example in exam, you want to use he is enjoying himself now. Got it? Next one, because this action word, ये जो वर्ड है ये क्रियाओं के बाद लगते हैं. लास्ट वन, प्रोनाउन विथ लेट. हिम, हर, मी. So what is this? He, she, I. Let's learn to example. Let her and I do this work. So here the correct answer is that let her and me do this work. That's the correct answer. Understand everyone? यहाँ let के साथ him, her और me प्रोनाउन आते हैं, बल्कि he, she, I नहीं आते हैं. Next one, third chart, rule number 3, error in the use of verb, adverb, conjunction, adjective. The first rule, subject in singular form, subject in plural form. It's very easy. If you saw the subject in singular form, obviously the verb should be singular. If the subject in the plural form, the verb will be plural form. Next one, see the example. For example, the cashier come accountant have come. The cashier come accountant has come. Only one person. Another one, the cashier and the accountant has come. Here are two person. That's why the cashier and the accountant have. दो है इसलिए plural form का verb आएगा. ये easy है. Next one, present indefinite tense, that is he, she, it verb. What is this? These are the third person singular. Then we add s or es. For example, he goes to school. He goes to school, not go to. Understand? Next one, use of adverb. Instead of good, use well. There are another rule, to or very, use adverb after the verb. These all are rule. Let's first learn to that. Instead of good, use well. Why? Here try to well adverb की जगह good adjective का प्रयोग अच्छा नहीं है. Example है I played basketball good. Here I played basketball well. That is correct. Another one, this girl is very poor to pay her dues. Here this girl is too poor to pay her dues. टू और वेरी दोनों का अर्थ है बहुत, पर टू के बाद संबंधित मीन्स रिलेटिव शब्द टू जुड़ता है. जैसे कि अनदर एग्जाम्पल, सी इज टू वीक टू वॉक. अंडरस्टैंड? And the last one, use of conjunction and use of adjective. Use of conjunction, everyone know that some pair of words used together, though, yet, no sooner than, not only, but also. Let's see the example. No sooner we reached the station, the train started. Here, no sooner did we reach the station than the train started. That is absolutely correct. And the last one, use of adjective for relation for things. Here elder और older दोनों का अर्थ होता है दो में से बड़ा, किंतु एल्डर सगे रिश्ते में आता है, जैसे कि एल्डर ब्रदर, एल्डर सिस्टर. जब दो व्यक्ति या वस्तुएं भिन्न भिन्न हो तो ओल्डर का प्रयोग होता है. जैसे we can say Mohan is older than Salim. Let's see example. Ram is older than Sham and Ram is older than Sham. Here older and elder. Another one, Mumbai is older than other city in India. So Mumbai is the oldest city when two things are there and when two relatives are there. Try to understand this. These are the all three charts, short but sweet I explained. Hope so you like it. Thank you.